If your YouTube mini player suddenly disappeared, you're not alone. Thousands of users are experiencing this right now, and I'm going to show you the fastest way to fix it in under 30 seconds. So here's what's happening. You're watching a video, you want to minimize it to browse for more content, and suddenly you realize the mini player button is completely gone. But here's the good news. There's a super simple keyboard shortcut that brings it back instantly, and it works every single time, even if YouTube has hidden the button from your interface. All you need to do is this: while you're watching any YouTube video, just press the letter I on your keyboard. Instantly, your mini player appears. Your video shrinks down to the corner, and you can browse YouTube freely while your video keeps playing. To exit mini player mode and go back to normal view, just press I again. It's literally that simple. Now, if you're not a fan of keyboard shortcuts, there's another way to access this. Just right-click anywhere on the video player itself, and you'll see a menu pop up with various options. Look for mini player in that menu and click it. Same result, different method, whatever works best for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.